it is getting captured. Yeah. If you can just share what is the initial setup details of how we set up the bee farm. Yeah.
So what we do is we set up the bee colonies only in the night time.
Okay.
So we after 7 o'clock, after sunset. So all the bees comes back to the hives, and after that we shift the colonies. So often what we do is we transport from our place to your place, and first we dig the stand. After that we install the beehives. So after that the procedure like by feeding the bees, you must set up all the colonies. This is what we do.
Okay.
So only in the night time we do it.
So end-to-end setup.
End-to-end.
And you training also give the how to harvest that.
Yeah, how to harvest the honey and how to maintain the bee colonies. So what is the dry season and what is the flowering season? How we'll get to know. So this is what we guide all of this.
Okay, great. And what is the time duration it takes typically for harvesting?
The practical. What we do is we do is a practical training, not a theory. The practical training. We have the hands-on training program. So in that we teach you how to handle the bees and how you can identify the queen bee and worker bee and the drones. Say, and what are the works done by the queen bee or worker bees. So how the comb builds. So with the support of like how we do it. Like so because. How we can maintain the bee colonies. This is how we teach the training for those who are interested.
Okay.
So how the bees work on the trees, like pollination service, right? So honey is the secondary part, and the main concept of what we do is the pollination.
Okay.
Pollination is the main thing. So why we keep the bees is for the pollination purpose. Honey is the secondary thing. So in the form what we do like for getting the yield. Like for example, if you have the cocoa tree, per year you will get 100 of coconuts. By keeping the bees, you will get 30 to 40% of yield. It means like 140, right? So that we suggest to keep the bee colonies in your form. That's what we do.
Got it. And is there any specific weather we need to keep in mind? For example, like any specific condition where bee grows, or there is no as such? Bee can survive?
No. See, depends upon the area.
Okay.
So where we start. So from which month we start beekeeping. So if you're in and around Bangalore, you can keep any time.
Okay, like up until 60, 70 kilometers, or 80 kilometers?
Yeah, that's fine.
Possible, right?
Yeah, possible.
Okay.
Up to 6, this is our like we call it the Western Ghats. In Western Ghats, we don't suggest from June. From June to August, we don't suggest the beekeeping over there.
Okay.
We don't promote there.
Because
it's
humid weather.
Heavy rain.
And
Due to the heavy rain, we don't suggest over there.
Okay.
From November only, we suggest the beekeeping in our area. But in Bangalore, in and around, you have to like in 200 kilometers or 150 kilometers is also fine. So in that you can keep it any time.
Okay. And is it necessary to keep this nearby forest, or no condition?
You can keep in the farmland also.
Farmland also.
Yeah.
How they collect the bee then? How they connect the honey if it is not nearby?
So they travel up to 800 meters in the air. From that they collect the nectar and pollen. Because of that they can sustain there.
Okay.
Even we are working nearby Tamil Nadu, Deknikote, and we are working in there.
Okay, you are working in Deknikote.
Deknikote, yeah.
Okay.
Like we are maintaining the bee colonies over there. So this is what we are doing here.
Wow,
Yeah.
that is great. Actually, something we have there only. Maybe we'll discuss this.
Sure.
And there is another question I had. What is the timeline? So I planted now, or I putted it now. How much time it generally
So
takes?
it's depend on the floral. So what kind of floral the bees are getting over in our farm.
Okay.
That depend on the floral.
That much time it will take.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you have the
Average
more
how much it is? Imagine in farmland,
See, once we
nearby
install, after
forest.
that we will get 2 to 3 months. Right, in a year. When they started, there's nothing to worry.
Okay.
We have the third period also. In third period, what we must do, or if we have some flowering season, what we must do. It depends on the bees maintenance. What we call seasonal maintenance. In seasonal maintenance, we do the feeding or some other thing. Everything we do.
Okay. And there is any additional support required, like for example, pesticides or anything? Is it required or?
No.
It's like natural.
Natural work.
Entire process is natural. No intervention required once it is set it up. Okay. And what is the typical expenses here? Setup
So
cost?
we suggest only small box over here because it's not a Western Ghats. So in our Western Ghats we suggest 8 frames.
Okay.
So for here in and around, as I told you, in and around Bangalore, we suggest only small box. It costs you 3,850.
Okay.
3,850 for 6 frame box. It's very small box. It's good for in and around Bangalore.
Okay.
That's what we suggest.
Good. Okay. And training, owning, everything
Yeah,
you
everything,
provide. Training,
provide,
everything
yeah.
you provide.
Yeah.
Huh? Amazing. Our team, maybe I'll share this with my
Sure,
team
definitely.
and they can connect with you.
Okay.
And other people also, because I will post it in online also.
Fine.
If anybody get help, they can connect.
Okay,
I'll
definitely.
share your details also.
Sure. We'll get
These all your products. Yeah, these all like different type of honey, raw honey. They are growing and they also teach how to grow honey. And this is their contact.
So this is my contact number.
Okay. Yeah. Said also. Your name, sorry.
Nitin Hegde.
Nitin, right? Great, Nitin. Really liked it. I saw you earlier when you first time came for discussion, right?
Uh-huh.
So I was in the office.
Oh, okay.
And that day I noted you actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I really liked it. I have it. I already took you.
Sure.
Kept it because I have. You given, right? You shared.
I think
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, amazing. Nitin, we'll connect again. And I hope a lot of other people will also connect with you on this regard. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Nitin.